Okay guys, so we're here today, we're back. Hypex Wicked Kitchen, Mr. Sal, and today we're doing like an appetizer, everybody's favorite. It's like bar food. It's not even a food, it's a snack. We're doing onion rings. Yeah, and guess what we're gonna do them? We're gonna do them in the air fryer because we have an air fryer and we don't want to mess with oils and doing all that stuff on the stovetop or using a regular oil fryer. So I made it real simple for you already. I took a medium onion. We sliced the onions into what? These are about like 1/4 inch slices. We soaked them in some ice water, you know, get them nice and soft, and then we drained them and we patted them dry. We did that about a half an hour ago. Then we got some coconut flour that you're gonna use to dredge, 2 whisked beaten eggs, and then we got, right here is what makes everything stick together. Our special ingredient, our breading. We're using pork rinds. We got about a little less than a half a bag of pork rinds. We grinded it up. You know, you can do it by hand or use it in a processor. And we got a little bit of Parmesan cheese, some salt, pepper, paprika. So what we're gonna do, this is pretty simple. We're gonna get our onions here. Now you can use your hands, it gets messy, but I'm gonna use right here. Before I go too crazy, I'm gonna use this. Okay, so we're gonna dredge up with the coconut flour. Then I'm gonna drop it in some egg. You know, usually I like to do it with my hands. Okay. Then we're gonna put it in our stuff over here. Okay.
Wow, that's a nice breading. Low carb breading.
Yeah, low carb breading.
What's in it, Chef?
We're gonna put it on our little pan with some parchment paper. Okay, so we have our basket here. We're gonna put everything in our basket here on a parchment paper. You don't really have to oil it up. If you want to spray a little, like one of your spray avocado, that's fine. But as you can see, I have a lot of onions. It's gonna probably be a couple basket strips that we're gonna have to use. It's not all gonna be done in one sitting. So, you know, you make some, then you make some more. Now let me try the fork. You know, worst case scenario, you know, I'm gonna use my hands because okay, so we're just gonna keep doing that. And once these are all done, we'll pop them in there. We have them preheating to 400 degrees. We have the air fryer preheating for 400 degrees. So I'm gonna keep doing these. And I think I'm gonna use my hands next time, right? Okay, now we have some onion rings. Look at that. I got two racks to pop in. As you can see, this is 1 small medium onion. Look how much it made. You probably might want to use half, depending. So, okay, this is gonna go in the air fryer. I'm gonna put it in for 8 minutes. So they're gonna go in there for about 8 minutes each side, and then we're gonna flip them at 400. So I'm gonna pop both of these in there while these are cooking. I'm gonna keep over here. I'm gonna keep making more trays of onion rings. Okay, so we're gonna pop this bad boy in. Boom. Then I'm gonna try to do double. Usually it's the top one's the best, but we'll reverse them when we flip them over. So, okay, so we'll do that for 8 minutes, and then we'll come back. So let's see how these look after 8 minutes. Look, they look real nice and crispy. The ones on the bottom not as cooked well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip them over, and I'm gonna switch the position. And we'll come back after 8 minutes and see how they came out. Okay, let's see. I think we're done. Let's see how they came out. Okay, so there you got it. Oh, we got our onion rings.
They look delicious, scrumptious.
And then we did that. Okay, look what we got. Here are your onion rings. You know, you can put whatever dipping sauce you want. We got some buffalo creamy. We got some low carb beer. And now we're gonna eat We're gonna eat because that's what we do. So you can do this for whatever you want, you know? You know, it's not the same, but guess what? It tastes so good.
Crunch?
The crunch is great. It's the best.
Crunch is
You
right.
didn't get all the extra calories and carbs and all that shit. So, you got it.
Okay.